Hi internet friends, how are you? Today is a long-awaited apartment tour that actually nobody asked me for, but I just know that you want to see my apartment. So it's a Saturday today, and today we're gonna be together all in my apartment together, all of us together in this apartment. Just a disclaimer, I did not tidy up, I did not clean my apartment for this tour because I feel like if you're coming to my house, it should feel like home, you know? So yeah, first of all, this apartment is very different to many apartments in Paris because it's not like typical Parisian style, which is not what I wanted. I wanted to feel like I was in the UK. So I wanted an apartment with concrete floors. As you can see, this beautiful concrete floor, these beautiful concrete stairs that I do love so very much. So when I applied for this apartment and I found it online, the man didn't reply to me for 1 whole month, but I just emailed him every single day until I got a reply. And now the apartment is mine, so the living area. Now this sofa is actually really beautiful underneath this thing, but Bianca destroyed it, so I had to put a cover on it. We have a projector here, which is where I watch all my shows, and Adrian saw me make a foam mirror, so he thought that he could turn this into like a foam thing, but he severely f***ed up, and that's why we don't let men do anything in this house, because they just f*** everything up. He fucked it all up, and it looks disgusting. This is a table, which I hate. This is a big white wall. This is a plant, a new plant. These are its children, which I think are definitely gonna die, but that's the circle of life, kids. Here I have a lot of books. These are all of my books. And this is my favourite photo book. This one is my favourite photo book. Another one of my favourite books. And also this one because I love chairs. There's no real order to these books, they just get shoved wherever I say. This is a John and Vinny's pizza box. That's the best place to eat in LA. And I painted this record over here. So I painted this in less than a minute. It was a really quick painting and I was actually being really stupid, but it turned out quite nice. This is a water gun, which I don't know why that is there. This is more me. My Fitbit inspired packaging is just there. That stays there. This is my massage table where I give very strange young men some nice massages. Now we go into the kitchen area. Also we have a skateboard there. I know what you're thinking. I already know. We don't f with skaters on this channel. We hate skateboarders. But when I'm feeling angry and when I'm feeling like I just want to smash something, I just do a couple of ollies on there and smash the floor with my anger. I made this mirror. Here's just a little bit of junk, a plant, a car, some eyelash glue, some eyelashes because I do eyelash extensions. These are my keys. They attach like this. Thank you. If we come around to this area, this is, I don't really know what this area is, to be honest. There's a painting I did of a famous Adrian Bourne, some flowers in a Nike thing because I didn't have a vase, so that's what I like to call sporty and rich. This is the Beats by Dre section where there is just a lot of Beats by Dre things. Not really sure why. This is where I keep my masks behind this magazine to just make it look a little bit tidier. Why do you have a suitcase there? That is a suitcase which has never been returned to the rightful owner. This is my daughter, Bianca. She's just here. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi. This is the kitchen area where we have some more plants that probably will die. I have some sweet potatoes here. I like sweet potatoes. This is where I keep all of my proteins because I work out. This is not like a person house. We have a lot of spices here, so this is just full of that kind of stuff. We like flavour in this house. It's not just salt and pepper vibes, it's everything vibes. NutriBullet, which we cannot live without. Some plastic bottles, I know that's really bad, but I didn't bring those here. You bone to pick with Adrian. This is my favourite knife. It's really good for chopping things. This is the clock, which I'm sure you have seen on many of my videos. This is the boiler, if you're interested. And yes, let's go upstairs. Follow me. I'm not really sure what those things are. I don't know why they're there. Hurry up. The bedroom. This is a mirror I made all by myself. As you can see, it is the same height as me. This is a really nice book, actually, of a grandma with a cat. And the cat dies. A calendar I made. I don't know if you can tell, but that's actually someone's balls. And then we have October, November, December. Oh no, that's January. Where the magic never happens. And some shoes. This is my prayer mat. We pray 5 times a day in this house. Some blinds, so I can spy on my neighbours. The wardrobe. This is my wardrobe. It's really scary. You don't want to see that. And then we have the bathroom. Many of you have been in this bathroom so many times with me, but come on, let's go in one more time. So, this is the bathroom. This is where I take my and every day. Here are some products that I use. This is the shower curtain. It's orange. It actually probably looks red, but it's supposed to be orange. Because orange is actually my favourite colour. That's really where the magic happens. So guys, that's my apartment. I hope that you enjoyed this really in-depth apartment tour. If you want to move to Paris, I would advise against that. It's really hard to get an apartment here. You just need so many documents which you probably don't have, so you have to Photoshop them and lie, and you know, and then you face prison time. And although orange is my favourite colour, I don't want to be seen in it. Thank you so much everybody for coming to see my apartment. I hope that you felt comfy and cozy and gorgeous and sweet inside this apartment. Like I said, I didn't really tidy it up because I just thought, what's the point, you know? Like, why would I tidy it up for you guys? Because, you know, I want you to see me in my real space. I hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you did enjoy this video, you should definitely like it right now, this second. Right now. Press like and share it with someone that you really hate. Just send it to someone that you really hate. Send it to someone that you really have a crush on and ask them if they want to take a trip to Paris with you to this apartment, and you're more than welcome to stay in this house. So just, yeah, okay, bye.